let's say we have this cube here floating in front of us. We know that it's about an 80% value. What I want to do is take a strip of it, or let's say not even a strip. Let's just actually take this corner as if we're standing there with the permanent marker, just drawing on it like that. It's going to fold or round over these edges. And I want to take another spray paint can and spray paint this a different color, like a black. So what I'm going to do is use the lasso tool. It's going to grab it real quick. All right. It's going to Control J and copy that so we have like a copy of it. And I'm going to pick a new value. Let's go with something way darker and just spray paint all of it. We lock the transparency, so it's going to let us do that. But the problem is it's not making sense with the form. What I want to do is find that halfway to black and lay that in on this side. Okay. Now when we zoom out, it looks like it's a 3D form with a different value on it. Bada bing, bada boom. Let's go back and select this. And instead of going halfway to black, we're going to go to 25% way to black. Now you'll notice, since it's down here, it's a very crunched range of values, but it's very necessary to get those numbers right. Because if that's the numbers in terms of the ratio we used for the cube here, we have to do the same thing for this here as well, depending on the material, of course. And I'm going to go ahead and blend that. Cool. Now it looks like the corner has been painted a different color. Let's bring back that highlight though. Kind of implying there's a nice semi-gloss finish onto it. Yes. All right. Same thing with all of them. We're just going to select the bottom of this. Halfway to black, core shadow. And now it looks like we painted that part too. Let's do that with the cheese cube, the cheese wedge. And very quickly, we're doing the illusion of form using a bit of math and understanding form. Well, polygons. Now there's actually a way to cheat this really quick. If we just copy this, now we have a copy of it. And we pull up the levels and move this over like that. Yeah, that works. You can change the contrast of it as well. But I think each person should go through the motions of learning to do that by hand by just changing the numbers. And we're still not done yet. I'm not going to change the values on the sphere and the donut. What I'm going to do is just flatten all of this. Okay, so now it's all flattened like this. And I want to talk about some painterly approaches real quick. We did a little bit of that on these bevels and edges regarding blending. And we did that a bit here as well. And we also chose to put a gradient on that area so it's not a uniform value.